Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install add-ons in Google Drive. So you can easily go ahead and install add-ons on Google Drive, and Google Drive actually have a ton of different add-ons that you can install, and I'm going to show you step by step how to install those add-ons in Google Drive. So once you're inside your Google Drive, guys, on the right hand side you will see the plus button here. That's what it stands for. You can click on that and it's going to open up a separate window where you can install a ton of different add-ons. As you can see here, you have quite a lot of add-ons that you can go through. You can scroll and scroll and scroll, and you will find some add-ons that you can go ahead and install, right? So, and as you can see, these add-ons on this page here is currently categorized, so you can look for the most popular ones. You can click and you can look for whichever one you want. As you can see, for example, on the most popular, you can simply go ahead and click and view more, and it will open up a bunch of different add-ons that you can see. So if you're looking for add-ons, you can simply go ahead and either go through those different categories and click view all to explore what is there, or you can simply go ahead and use the search. So let's say I might want to install, for example, Canva, right? I can search Canva. I'm sure it's there. Just simply hit an enter here once you type it in, and here you can see Canva, right? So I can simply click on Canva as an example here, and I can simply click on install. As you can see, Canva, so I can simply click on install and then select my email address, and I can go ahead and select all of these options here, or choose the one and click continue. Now here it says Canva installation is done, and right here, that's it. The Canva installation is actually complete, and I can close this window. Now you might be wondering, okay, how do I use this, right? How do I go ahead and use Canva? It's very easy. If you have, for example, like an image, I'm going to try to find something here on my computer real quick so that we could use. Let me go into my images and let's find yeah, let's drag this image here, and here's the image. Now how does it work? So let's say I would like to open this image with Canva. All I have to do, just simply right click, and you see open with. I go over and you will see the option that says Canva. So I can simply click on this, and what it's going to do, it's going to take me over to Canva. And if I have a Canva account, it will ask me to sign in. If I don't, I will have to set up Canva, right? So for right now, I don't have a Canva account here, but I'm going to simply sign in with the Gmail account real quick to quickly make a Canva account, right? And you're gonna see that this image afterward is gonna open up directly in Canva. So I'm gonna select and accept everything right here, and you will see that this image will load right into a Canva here, and you will be able to edit your images and so forth. So just give it a moment for it to do its thing, and you will see what's going to happen. So it's going to load the image right into Canva, and as you can see, that's what it does right here. So if you're looking, guys, to use add-ons in your Google Drive or from Google Drive, this is a quick example, right? You can install so many different apps, and as you can see on the right hand side here, it also show the Canva icon. And yeah, if you also have other, let's say, add-ons, you'll be able to see when you have opened with the ones that it will work with. You can easily go ahead and find those add-ons. Add add-ons or install add-ons in Google Drive. You can simply click the plus and explore what is there. You have prices, so you have one that are paid and free ones. You also have some filters here that you can go through and play around with the filters. But it's very easy, guys, very easy and very simple. You can come on the left hand side here and you can choose between these different categories as well to find what you're looking for. So go ahead and try to explore it, guys. I'm sure that you'll find valuable add-ons there that you can easily install in Google Drive and to make your experience using Google Drive much better.